Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to access, cut, copy, paste, rename and delete options in Windows 11. First method. Right-click on any file or folder. Now, on the top row, you can see Cut, Copy, Rename and Delete icons. Click on the icon to access them. Second method. After right-click on any file or folder, press Shift plus F10. Now, you can see the options for Cut, Copy, Delete and Rename. Thank you for watching the video. For more such videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.